Get in there! With remote control parking for the BMW Automatic Maneuvering Assistant, you can park your BMW standing outside using the My BMW app on your iPhone. To do so, a BMW Digital Key Plus needs to be active on your iPhone. Check out our other how-to video about creating and sharing a BMW Digital Key Plus. Also, make sure Bluetooth is activated. When you drive past parked vehicles at low speed, the system is scanning for parking spaces. Simply press the Parking Assistant button in the center console to enter Parking View. Parking spaces are recognized when you have passed them completely. Select a parking maneuver on the control display or remotely using the My BMW app. The display suggests parking spaces and maneuvers to you. Choose one by clicking on the control display to start the automatic parking assistant. Tight spot. To continue with remote control parking, for example into narrow parking spots, push the brake, engage the parking brake, click Parking with My BMW app, and get out of the vehicle. Open the My BMW app and click on Remote Control Parking. Here you can also select your parking maneuver and the parking direction. Safety first. As a confirmation you are using the remote control voluntarily, tilt your phone forth and back to move the slider exactly into the displayed targets. Ready? Press and hold the blue parking button. Your BMW starts maneuvering into the selected parking space. Watch out! Make sure to watch the parking maneuver at all times close to the vehicle. In top view, you get more info from the parking assistant sensors. As soon as you let go of the blue button, the car stops. Press and hold again to resume. The app tells you when the car has reached its final parking position. Tap Finish, switch the car off, and lock it. You can also select a recorded path of the automatic maneuvering assistant in the remote parking menu if your car is in the relevant starting location. Or with manual mode, you can park remotely, straight, forwards or backwards. If you have parked out remotely, leave the car running to get in. Safe travels! Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.